Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
A step-by-step guide for simulating handheld camera shake in After Effects. There are a number of ways to produce this trick. We'll show you how to simulate handheld camera shake using a method that is quick and customizable. Wiggle the position. To bring the camera shake to life, use a wiggle expression on the position attribute of your image layer. To add the expression, hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon next to the property. Then, type in the expression. Wiggle. The wiggle expression is quite basic, consisting of two input values, frequency and amplitude. In my wiggle expression, I use a frequency of 1 and an amplitude of 25, creating a subtle shake. To find the look you like, tweak the numbers. Note, if you're working with images and videos, you'll need to scale up to ensure you don't see the edges.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.